Racing just is started. We have all Joe first to show quickness at the start just in time. Moving upon the outside through to form. In the middle portion comes Flying Swallow. Next online Precious and Cool. Then followed over by entry number 6 Dare to Dream while Pines Material is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn. We have just in time by a length and a half. Olajuwon is right behind in second and in third now is True to Form and on the outside Flying Swallow. Down on the inside is Dare to Dream. Then next on line now is Precious and Cool while Finest Material is still racing in last 600 meters of the race. We have just in time by about 3/4 of a length lead. Moving up now on the outside is Olajuwon. Then here comes Flying Swallow in the middle portion, True to Form. Then next online is Dare to Dream, Precious and Cool, while Finest Material is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. 3 runners are now fighting out for the lead. True to Form, Olajuwon is down on the inside, and on the outside now is Flying Swallow. We have True to Form by the length, Flying Swallow. We saw the outside. True to Form, Flying Swallow. We saw the outside. Moves up to take the lead. And finally, it's Flying Swallow. True to Form, Olajuwon. Then comes Finest Material.
Mukhang condition tong partner ko.
Panigundo na.
Flying Swallow. Tama yung kalkulasyon mo, hindi nga patok yun.